Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file ITR-5 for partnership firms. This guide will help you understand the process step by step. ITR-5 is specifically designed for entities like partnership firms, limited liability partnerships, and associations of persons. Filing this form accurately ensures compliance with income tax regulations. We will cover everything from document preparation to final submission, making the process clear and straightforward for you. Before you begin filing, it is crucial to gather all necessary documents. You will need your firm's permanent account number, along with comprehensive financial statements like the balance sheet and profit and loss account. If your firm's turnover exceeds 1 crore rupees, an audit report is mandatory. Also, ensure you have details of partners' capital accounts and any interest paid to them. Having these ready will streamline the entire filing process significantly. Now, let's move on to filling out the ITR-5 form itself. You will start by providing general information about your firm and its partners. Then, meticulously report all income from your business or profession. Remember to include any capital gains and other income sources. It is essential to claim all eligible deductions and allowances to minimize your tax liability. Double-check every section for accuracy before proceeding to the next step. The final steps involve verifying and submitting your ITR-5. You can e-verify your return using various methods, such as Aadhaar OTP net banking or a digital signature. This crucial step confirms the authenticity of your filing. Upon successful submission, an acknowledgement receipt, known as ITR-V, will be generated. Always remember to file your return before the specified due date to avoid any penalties and ensure compliance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.